How to fix allow access camera missing on iPhone apps. Let's get started. Launch your settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of screen time. Now open this option content and privacy restrictions. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of content and privacy restrictions. Now go ahead and click on this option allow read apps. Type in your screen time passcode. Now toggle on for the option of camera. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, open this option privacy and security. Now over here you will find the option of camera, open it, toggle on for all these apps, give access of camera to all these apps. Now head back, go to the main page of settings, now scroll down, head towards the app in which you are facing this issue, open it. You will find the option of camera, toggle on for it. If you have already toggle on for it, toggle it off. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and toggle it on. Now you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, go to the main page of settings, open this option general, scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.